Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change background color on Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. In your home menu, click on design and select site styles and select colors, and from this list you can select any color palette. So I'm going to selecting here light one, and after that scroll up and here you will get the palette. So click on that palette and click on show all, and if you want to change your whole website background color, then select section background and select a color from this option, and here you can see my website background color has been changed. And the same way you can change heading color, then button background color, menu background color. You will get many options here to change background color. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.